this a severe thunderstorm video because I just want to do one at night. Another one. That's what I need to do. I'm gonna wait for one. Whoa, that was bright. I just caught that one. Whoa, there's another one. Whoa, the thunder starting to get loud now. Yeah, earlier, I made a TikTok video of my little annoying sister, but we're not talking about that. But my little sister called me at 1 a.m., but it's 2 a.m. right now. But we're not talking about that, we're talking about, whoa, that was right, we're talking about the lightning and thunder, and the lightning flashed bright again. Let's see if the thunder will rumble. Come on. Please rumble. I don't think it's gonna rumble. Very severe thunderstorm. It's like 2 in the morning. Whoa, that was bright. I got another one again. Catching some good flashes. I'm gonna wait for another one. So guys, I was sleeping and I heard a thunder rumble. So I got up and had to film it. Yeah, the thunder just rumbled on me. And let me tell you, the lightning is so bright. Because I heard a loud rumble. Let's see if I can wait for another one. Whoa! Whoa! That was big. That was a huge boom. Sounded like crumpling paper. Usually it does that in the day, but it doesn't usually do that at night. Wow. That was huge. I hope I don't get in trouble when I upload this video. Because I'm not sure if I'm supposed to video that. Yeah, this is the worst thunderstorm ever. At night. Wow. That was a good one. That was a big ass boom. Wow. A lot of YouTubers, you should watch this video and like it. That was a cool one. If you go to RMS Elevators ETC, on the top, you might see this thunderstorm video. Alright, that'll be it.